Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Minecraft in Infinite Craft. Let's dive right in. First, start with the basics. Combine water plus fire to create steam. This step sets the foundation for more advanced creations. Next, mix wind plus earth to form dust. You'll need this element for multiple combinations later on. Now take the steam and combine it with fire to craft an engine. Engines are essential for building creative tools in the game. Then, combine earth plus dust to make a planet. From here, merge dust plus dust to produce sand. Add the engine and sand together and you'll create a sandbox, a key element for construction. Finally, take the planet and combine it with a sandbox, and there you have it, Minecraft in Infinite Craft. And that's it. You've successfully made Minecraft in Infinite Craft. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial, and hit the notification bell for more creative gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!